HUAWEI CEO, Mr. Richard Yu, continues to make waves. Photos have already been captured of him using the device both folded and unfolded in various settings, but now the surprise is that he has announced when this device will be unveiled. And it wasn't through a formal invitation or a post on Huawei's official social media, it was in an interview with someone who was at the presentation of a vehicle. Remember that Huawei in China is presenting vehicles under its brand, although they are not directly made by Huawei, but rather vehicles that use Huawei's entire navigation system. In this case, it was the presentation of the Stellato S. So during this event, someone asked when the triptych foldable would be unveiled, to which Mr. Richard Yu responded next month, around September. Again, we don't know if this was already planned, because the previously leaked photographs look like "take a picture of me without me noticing." The name of this device is still unknown, but according to the leaked images, a circular module can supposedly be seen on the camera part. And normally Huawei uses this design for devices in the Mate series, so it is highly likely that this device will have Mate in its name. So, we are possibly less than a month away from getting to know this device, which we already know will be unveiled in September.